Hey, MexitPlanners. Hope y'all doing well. It's Sunday morning. I hope you're having a blessed day. I am out for my Sunday morning walk. I'm a little late today. Started a little later than I like, but just wanted to check in. This is going to be my video for August 2nd, and I am currently walking down Avenida Comercio. This is right in front of my neighborhood. This street runs between Benito Juarez to the north, San Ramon to the, I guess, west, and it's a pretty popular street. There's a lot of things on it. If you keep straight, you run into Alta Brisa, which is the direction I'm walking towards now. You also get to the Urban Center, where there's, I believe that's where the Best Buy is. And then we have what we call Chedraui Selecto. Chedraui is a local Mexican grocery company, but they sell literally everything. And the Chedraui Selecto is one in such that they have like all the high-end organic stuff, fresh foods, top quality meats. The produce section is outstanding. I may go in there just to kind of show you what's what. And yeah, so it's Sunday, just taking a stroll. There's nobody out here on the streets. The streets are pretty empty on most Sundays anyway. And I'm just gonna walk for a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Take care. All right, so we're coming up on this house. I want to show you this. So this house is on the corner. It is in the neighborhood. I don't know if you can see that sign, but the sign says that basically the house is available for $450,000. It is approximately 4,000 square feet or 3,900 square meters. This house used to be a school of some sort, it looks like. And as you can see, the property, it is just ridiculous. Let's see. See if I can actually show you the house. Looks like we're getting out of the gate, but I'm going to just walk around and let you kind of take a look. So that's the house. That's the front entrance of the house. And so for $450,000, you can have all of this property, and the backyard is pretty big as well. It's at the corner. It's in a perfect location. It's amazing what you can have. So that is that's pretty typical. It's actually a little expensive, but that's a pretty big house. But that's typical for Merida. There are lots of big homes, older homes available. This is 210 Avenida Comercio Camara. You can see the pool in the backyard a little bit through the fence. Again, this is the gate to the house. I wonder if it could be used for residential property as well. Probably so. They don't typically have a lot of issues. But this house is almost half of the block, I would say. So, you know, I started on the one corner, and I'm walking, and the house ends there. So it's a half a block long and a half a block wide for $450,000. No telling how many rooms are in that house. But that was Merida. Also, one of the things you see all over the place, flowers bloom everywhere. And so, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you have flowers all over the ground, littering everywhere. And the smells are wonderful. So, thanks. And that smells good. There's a little taco stand I passed last week. The food smells delicious. I may stop today. See if they work on me. Huele bien. Gracias. All right, we're coming up on the Urban Center, which again, like I said, it's not a very long walk from my house. Maybe 1.3 miles, 1.4 miles, something like that. But this center has the Super Chedraui or Chedraui Selecto, which is kind of like the Whole Foods Chedraui. It also has the Sonora Grill, which is a high-end steakhouse. Very good food. And a Smart Fit fitness center, as well as Office Depot and some other things. So let's go check out the Super Selecto Chedraui. We're in the Super Selecto Chedraui. Wine section, as you can see, all the liquor and everything is roped off. We're in our dry law, so you can't buy any alcohol. I gotta remember what I need. So I need some eggs. I'm not gonna get a whole lot today. Just kind of walking through the store. ¿Puede tener un ribeye, por favor? Un kilo. Sí, el mismo de ahí. Sí, sí, el mismo este. Looks like I got 2 big steaks coming my way. I only wanted one, but it's all good. Muchas gracias. So this is a little neighborhood park that sold us on the neighborhood and the house. Right now, the only thing that's open are kind of like these friendship chairs where you sit facing each other. They normally have the waterfall going in the evenings, or the water fountain. I think that's been off for quite a while now, though. And the rest of the park is kind of closed. There's this pavilion, which you can see. That I've seen people sit out here. And I may try to get a couple pull-ups in before I take it on down to the house. So let's see how that goes. That's it.